Hello and welcome to my blind audio comparison of the Shure SM57 dynamic instrument microphone and the Shure Beta 87A handheld condenser microphone. I've also added the Rode NT1 as a recording reference. You'll hear all three microphones on my voice singing a slow bass rendition of Dreamer's Ball by Queen. Please leave a comment with your guess as to which mic is which, and at the end of the video, I'll reveal the microphones. Oh, I used to be your baby, used to be your pride and joy. You used to take me dancing just like any other boy. But now you found another partner, you left me like a broken toy. Oh, it's someone else you're taking, someone else you're playing to. Honey, though I'm making, know just what I've got to do. If I can't have you when I'm waking, I'll go to sleep and dream I'm with you. Oh, take me, take me, take me to the dreamer's ball. I'll be right on time, and I'll dress so fine. You're gonna love me when you see me, won't have to worry. Take me, promise not to wake me till it's morning. It's all been true. I'll meet you at the dreamer's ball. I'll meet you at the dreamer's ball. I'll meet you at the dreamer's ball.